Ipinagmamalaki at ikinangarangal ng Extra Challenge ang mga world-class Pinay na pambato ng Pilipinas. MTV Players.
Sana laging nasa isip mo.
Sina Rufa Gutierrez Bectas, Donita Rose, at si Jasmine Trias. Teka, ano ito?
There's nowhere to step for crying out loud. My pants broke it with right here.
Makaya nila ang mga pagsubok na sa kanila ay naghihintay. Ngayon lang ito mangyayari.
I'm so freaking scared!
Kaya pakatutukan. Kung karapat-dapat nga ba silang tawagi, mga babae. Prom D. Walang ganito sa States.
Actress, Miss World Second Princess, international television host, at president ng Fashion TV Turkey, Miss Rufa Gutierrez Bectas.
Nung narinig ni Ilmas na kausap ko yung Extra Challenge na mag-aala simple life daw ako, sinabi niya sa akin na huwag kong tanggapin daw. Kasi hindi daw siya bumili ng isang channel para sa akin, para gawin ko daw kabaduyan ng sarili ko.
MTV Asia DJ, tinaguriang Asia Sweetheart, at naging cover ng prestigious Time Asia magazine, Donita Rose.
I flew all the way from Singapore specifically for Extra Challenge, and I was very, very excited about it. And just the day before the shoot, nalaman ko makakasama din namin si Jasmine. And tuwang-tuwa ako because I'm a big fan.
Nagkaroon ng milyon-milyon tagahanga dahil sa kanyang angking talento sa pagkanta at sa pagiging finalist ng American Idol. International recording star, Jasmine Trias.
Kasi I didn't know what to expect. Pero konti excited. Pero mas takot.
Isang sosyal na limousine ang naghihintay sa mga challengers para mag-utos sa kanila sa susunod na location. Kung saan yon, secret!
Si Rufa nagwawala na parang, Gee, ano bang ipapagawa sa atin? Bakit tayo naka-gown?
Something in common pala itong si Rufa at Jasmine.
You say, I love mangoes. Or something like, sarap, I love mangoes. Something like that. Kumukutita pang ngiti.
Yeah, kumukutita.
What does that mean? Kumukutita.
Like, it's shining really brightly.
Ayan na! Kumanda na kayo, girls. Dahil malapit na tayo sa secret location.
Where are we? Oh, we're going to the airport. Oh God, are we flying somewhere? Oh my gosh, where are we? We're going to the airport.
Yeah, we kept on asking Paolo nasan kami pupunta kasi hindi kami alam. We talked about possibilities. We had fun.
It was actually one of the most exciting parts of the show kasi talagang wala kang alam tungkol sa anong mangyayari.
Oh my gosh, I think we're going to be in a hot air balloon.
No! Let's skydive! Let's go skydiving!
Skydiving, girl.
Ang sabi kasi ni Rufa na, naku, kung may mga physical challenges dito, hindi matatakot si Donita kasi nag-skydiving na yan. So, I was thinking it would be great if there was something like that kasi I want to go again, definitely.
See, I told you we're going to be riding these things. I don't trust those things. They're kind of scary. Run short, girl.
She's holding me tight. You can let go a little. I'm just kidding. No, you'll be okay. Don't.
Jasmine.
Grabe naman yan.
Hindi na, okay.
Jasmine, you'll be fine, baby. You'll be fine. I'm right here. Okay.
September 19th.
Si Jasmine ay gustong mag-business law. Siguro habang namamayagpag ang kanyang career. Kaya 3 oras na kami dito at binabasa pa rin niya yung kontrata.
Wow, that's serious, huh? What are they doing? My God.
Welcome, ladies. This is called the warm-up challenge.
Okay.
Yes.
So, warm up pa lang to, ah.
Warm up. Sasakay tayo sa chopper. Lilipad tayo dun sa location natin. Tapos, isa-isa kayo bababa sa rope ladder na yan. Yes, any questions?
I kind of understood half of what you're saying.
Nako, patay tayo dyan. Mukhang mapapalaban tayo sa Inglisa na.
I understand all that, but
Nahihirapan ako na salita Tagalog. Pero I'm learning. How do you say I'm learning? Naintindihan konti. Donita at sa Rufa, they're teaching me too. So throughout the whole day, I learned a lot of words.
Kahit kinakabahan, nakuha pa ang mag-posing, oh.
okay, this is it, girls. Ready na ba kayong mag-flying?
When I was on the helicopter, palpitate yung puso ko. Kasi nervyoso ako.
Jasmine sabi niya, oh, have you ever been in a helicopter? Sinabi ko naman, yes, many times. I think kasi she's only 18, so siguro first time niya talaga ma-experience yung mga ganon.
We call that chicken skin in Hawaii. Chicken skin. Oh my God, I'm so much.
Okay pa ba kayo mga girls? Ganyan talaga. Dahil sa turbulence yan. Kaya kapit lang.
Yung nag-drive ng helicopter, yung pilot, talagang feeling niya, isa siya Superman because he was going sideways, going up and going down. Nasa ibabaw pa naman kami ng Taal Lake. So iniisip ko, my gosh, kapag mahulog ako dito, patay na ako kasi ang taas-taas.
This is it, girls. Nandito na tayo sa ating destinasyon. Ready na ba kayo?
Oh my gosh, we're gonna be in the river swimming with the Carabao.
Dito na ang sector challenge. Nakatakdito. Sa gitna ng bukid. Sa aking kalabaw.
Mula sa taas na 20 feet, isa-isang bababa ang mga challengers gamit lamang ang rope ladder. At si Donita ang unang bababa.
was telling us before that na wini-warningan ko na lang kayo na medyo mahirap bumaba dun sa hagdanan because of the wind.